So you saw us make that wonderful liver flush drink, and I just want to mention to you the program is start off with 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of the olive oil, and increase 1 each day. At the end of 5 days, you should have 5 tablespoons of olive oil and 5 cloves of garlic. Now, if you are garlic sensitive, I'm sorry for you, but if you are, I would like it if you didn't abandon the program altogether and then stuck maybe to what you could tolerate. Maybe that's 1, maybe that's 2. Just continue with what you can tolerate for the rest of the week. I hope that you can do 5 because it's there for a reason, but I don't want you to fail. So I want to give you this kind of little tip. Other thing is, if you have a lot of things to do afterwards, you've got to have a meeting or you're in a class or you're breathing a lot on a person, you can take the Breath Fresh. 5, 10 drops. It's up to you. I love it. So I'm always going to take a lot of everything. Sorry. Anyway, don't forget that. Keep that with you. Use that after you've had your liver flushes because of the garlic. Anyway, they're the tips.